Thomas is a car salesman. The table shows the salary that Thomas earns for the number of cars he sells. Use the data to make a graph. Then find the slope of the line and explain what it shows. So here's our T-table over here. And we could plot all these points, but I'm going to tell you the very first thing that I notice is this number. Remember, whenever x equals 0, that tells you what the y-intercept is. So we know that we have to have a point at $2,200 on the y-axis. If we look down here, this y-intercept is down here below 1,000. That can't be it. This one is at 2,200. That could be an answer. This one's way down here. That couldn't be an answer. And this one is at 2,200. So we're down to two choices. We have B and D. And if you look at these, sorry you can't see it on the same screen, but they're actually both plotted the exact same. They plot all these points perfectly. So then we just need to look at what it says. Here it says, slope of the line is 600. This means that for every car Thomas sells, he earns $600. All right, and then down here it says, the slope of the line is 2,200. This means that for every car Thomas sells, he earns 2,200. So it looks like we need to find the slope to figure it out. We've talked a lot about how slope can be rise over run, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the slope formula. So we're going to pick any 2 points. I'm going to pick the first two. So I'm going to let this be x1, and this is my second x value. This is my first y value and my second y value. And then I'm going to plug it into my slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And remember, when I do this, I like to go ahead and put my minus signs there. So my y2 is 2,800. My y1 is 2,200. My x2 is 1. And my x1 is 0. So 2,800 minus 2,200 is 600. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our slope is 600. That will help us pick out the correct answer is B, because down here it said that the slope had to be 2,200, and that is not correct.